event of our school. Our tiny little tots have put lots of effort to make this day happen. So I request you all to please cheer them up, appreciate them for their efforts, because it really means a lot for them. We'll start our event now, and I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you.
To start up with the event, I request Sanjana Reddy of Junior KG to come up on the stage for invocation. Sanjana Reddy of Junior KG, I request you to come up on stage for invocation.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvadam Ya Kundentu Dusharahara Davala Ya Shubhra Vastrabrita Ya Vinavaradandamandikara Ya Shweta Padmasana Ya Brahma Achyuta Shankara Prakrutibihi Devai Sada Pujita Saman Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishchesha Jatyapaha Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavangmayam Aharyam Chandra Taradi Tamnumaha Satvikam Shivam Asadya Sadaka Swamin Asadya Tavakim Vada Ramadhuta Kripa Sindho Matkaryam Sadaya Prabhrum Mushika Vahana Modaka Hasta Chamara Karna Vilambrita Sutra Vamana Rupa Maheshwara Putra Vigna Vinashaka Pada Namaste.
On our senior KG student Anirvinya for the welcome speech.
Anirvinya, welcome to annual day. We practice for this day. I hope you all will. We practice for this day. I hope you all will enjoy. Thank you.
Aisha from Junior KG to announce for the upcoming event.
My name is Aisha. Naturally, we do dance all ballet please. Check dum dum. Thank you.
And everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, dance and joy. Well, here you are. So without taking much of the time, let's hear it for our little toddlers who are going to perform on the song of Chak Dum Dum. And the toddlers are Ayushi Datta, Burhanuddin, Krizel, Eva Alex, Harsha, Krishay, Mrutun, Nihal, Mihika Trivedi, Sudiksha, Tahir, Zayan and Vihan.
घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम छक दुम दुम
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम।
बादल झुके झुके से है,
रास्ते रुके रुके से है,
क्या तेरी मर्जी है मेघा, घर हमको जाने न देगा।
आगे है बरसात पीछे है तूफान, मौसम बेईमान कहाँ चले हम तुम।
छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम।
छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम। छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम
Many tots. Our toddlers were so cute, right? Yes. Thank you, toddlers. I request the following mothers to please escort their children to the green room for changing the costume and hand it over to the teachers. The mothers will be Ayushi Datta, Burhanuddin, Krizel, Eva Alex, Harsha, Krishay Reddy, Mritun, Nihal, Mihika Trivedi, Sudiksha, Tahir, Zayan and Vihan. I would like to call upon Priya for the next upcoming event. Video footage of this event. Please don't come forward for taking photos. If at all you want to take photos, please kneel down and take photos because other parents are not able to view. Please cooperate. Thank you.
Spoke for a while. There are some hidden surprises for the parents. Meanwhile, our next bat is getting ready for the performance. So it is for the parents. Just I want to see in this crowd the parent who is dressed up colorfully, like having lots of colors in their costume. So whoever feels so can please stand in your places. I'll come and count the colors on the dress. Please, let's start from this side. Three, 4, 5, 6 colors. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. It's the same. If you find anything extra, tell me. I think it's the same. 7. 7. Anyone else? count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors. Participate? So I think we got our winner.
I'm Eldon's mom.
Ethan and Eva also, right? Yeah. Ethan and Eva also. We would like to show some more video clips and images. Thank you.
Morning, parents. My name is Bhargav. We're going to show our class activities. Thank you. Now my nursery son will dance for Go Go Govinda.
हटके मटके झटके मारे हैं तू आज शोला तो हम भी फुवारे हैं तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम हटके मटके झटके मारे हैं तू आज शोला तो हम भी फुवारे हैं तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम चाहे दम निकले ये दम है कसम तेरी कसम तुझे आज छोड़ेंगे ना हम
Such a pleasing and heartwarming performance by our little tiny tots of nursery kids. Thank you, nursery. It was such a lovely performance. I request all the mothers to please escort their children to the green room for the dress change and hand it over to the teachers. The mothers will be, Advait Pandey, Akhilesh, Dhruti, Eden, Eva, Manisha, Tamanna and Vihan. I would request Priya to come up for her next fun-loving event.
Again. This time I want our audience to perform something for us. So I request anyone who can sing any rhyme or poem in any of the languages. Ma'am, please. In any of the languages, it's fine. English, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Bengali, Oriya, any language. Anyone? I just request you to stand. I'll come to your place.
Oh, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you.
The first rhyme for every kid. Anybody else? Anyone else wishing to sing? You can sing any rhyme from your child's nursery, toddler. Yeah.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Thank you.
Row, row, row a boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row a boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. This I used to sing along with my daughter when she was 1.5. She loves brinjal very much. बैंगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे, बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे, पापा ने पैसा दिया हंस रहे थे, भैया ने लड्डू दिया खा रहे थे, मामा ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे. Thank you.
I am grandmother of Amanda Hazel. नदी किनारे टोकरा था, उसमें बबलू सोया था, सोते सोते भूख लगी, एक नारंगी तोड़ लिया, मालिक का बेटा देख लिया, फुल छड़ी से मार दिया, बबलू बोला माँ माँ माँ, माँ कहती है चल शैतान.
Good morning everyone. My name is Eldon. Today we will show you how we enjoy rhymes in the class every day. Thank you. Your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp your hands.
At our next event, I request Ellen So, our junior KG student, to come and do the next announcement.
Good morning, parents. My name is Alonso. Now toddlers will dance on song Suraj Duba.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद के भी सुन ले कभी.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी. कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए, कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए, बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले, शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ. सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के. सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे के मारो, हम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के.
Ask me for anything, I can give you everything.
रास्ते भुला दो सारे संसार के.
अता पता रहे ना किसी का हमें, यही कहे ये पल जिंदगी का हमें.
अता पता रहे ना किसी का, यही
tiny tots. Thank you, toddlers, for such a good entertainment for all of us. Please cheer them up. Thank you. Come on.
Ladies. It's a ladies special. I want to see who is wearing maximum number of bangles in the hands. Bangles. Wearing bangles? I would like to count it. Yeah, all the bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. She can participate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she is with the highest count. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a tie. This is a watch. It doesn't come in bangles, sir. It's watch. 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Anyone else? More than that? 5, 6. Please clap for her. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Rachitesh. Junior KG student dance on the song. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Thank you.
जाके अपनी भैंस चराए.
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही से अपे हैं. जी भर के नाच लो ना, घर वाले ना मापे हैं. क्लब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है. ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
ले जा थोड़ा बर्फ पे किसले भेजा. सॉरी ले जा, माफी दे जा, हमको फ्री.
1, 2, 3. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, पकड़े ये दोनों कान क्या. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बच्चे की लौटे जान क्या. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, महंगी है एक मुस्कान क्या. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बच्चे की लौटे जान क्या. I know you love me and you know I love ya. अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो फिर लो चाल बड़ा क्या. I want a big big smile and I want it only now. अरे अंदर से तू ओके है, ऊपर से खाए पाओ.
गाय को है दाना, जिगर ले मंडवली मारा. हम सब आज ये तेरी खाज खुला दे फ्री.
1, 2, 3. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, पकड़े ये दोनों कान क्या. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बच्चे की लोगे जान क्या. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, महंगी है एक मुस्कान क्या. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बच्चे की लोगे जान क्या.
Let's see who is the tallest among all in the room right now. People can stand who feel that you're competing for that tallest person. Wow. Anyone else? Yeah. You can come front, sir, so that we can measure the heights, right? Anybody else? participate, right? Being the tallest lady. You want to participate, Buran? Anybody else? So that's it? Should I check? So you can't add Sudiksha's height also to yours? It's clearly visible. You want to do that? Okay, I'm fine, because as we have a count for, okay, among the male, he is the tallest one. Thank you, sir.
Well, my name is Bipin and I'm father of Daryl Oharia, and my height is about 6'2".
Too tall. He else won't be doing. Yeah, you all are. You are the tallest. Your name and height also, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Pratima. My height is 5.8. 5.8. Yeah.
We'll do dance Disco Diwali. Thank you.
There's something about tonight, tonight, tonight. Something about tonight, tonight, tonight. There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Something about the way you're looking at me, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
Baby, you so sexy.
Boy, you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना.
When I see you looking at me, आजा बात कर ले दिल की, होने लगेंगे अफसाने.
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
তোমার মনটা দিয়ে যাও তাড়াতাড়ি
तूने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग. तूने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग. दिल की सुन कमेंट्री यार प्यार की गारंटी यार टंग.
मैंने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग.
अरे तूने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार टंग.
So you can check the back of your chair. Stickers will be there. Number 1, 2, 3. Person who is having that numbering can please come. 1, 2, 3 numbering is there. Just back of your chair it's sticked. Oh.
There, father of Bhargav Nandan.
Yeah, Bhargav's father. Congratulations. Ma'am, your name?
Mrs. Kankaraj.
You are really a lucky person today, I believe. Congratulations. Thank you. We would like to show you some more video clippings. Thank you.
All
these dance performances, now we have a drama which is being performed by our junior KG and senior KG children. And the theme of the drama is they are going to act on the hungry caterpillar. Let me give a small introduction about it. In their act, they'll introduce us with the life cycle of a butterfly. They'll also show us the concept of counting and tell us about the days of the weeks, and finally about the importance of healthy and unhealthy food. So please give a big round of applause for all our junior KG and senior KG children. Thank you. Angela, Aisha, Bhargava, Mohammad Amin, Sanjana Reddy and Shirin Jasmine.
Cut the leaf. On Sunday morning, the warm sun came out and Pop came out a hungry tiny caterpillar. He started to look for some food. Good morning. Good morning, parents. On Monday, he ate through one apple. I am still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 grapes. I am still hungry. Looks so cute On Wednesday, he ate through 3 bananas. I am still hungry. I am still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. I am still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. I am still hungry. My name is On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream, cheese, cupcake, watermelon. That night he has stomach pain. My stomach is paining a lot. My stomach is paining her now. Next day was Sunday again. He threw one nice green leaf and he felt much better and he became a big fat caterpillar. I am feeling much better now. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He nipped a hole, pushed his way down. It was a beautiful butterfly. He was a beautiful butterfly. He was a beautiful butterfly.
For the next event announcement.
Parents, my name is Amin. No nursery children will dance song छुट्टियां करैया हुए.
Song of Go Go Govinda. So let's cheer our performers with a big round of applause.
हटके मटके झटके मारे हैं तू आज शोला तो हम भी फुवारे हैं तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम. हटके मटके झटके मारे हैं तू आज शोला तो हम भी फुवारे हैं तू आसमां पे है तो चांद तारे हैं हम. चाहे दम निकले ये दम है कसम तेरी कसम तुझे आज छोड़ेंगे ना हम.
announce that this is the first senior KG batch of our school. A hearty congratulations to you both. This is the first outgoing batch from senior KG. I request our director, Mrs. Sangeeta Nair, to honor our senior KG students for successfully completing the... We would also like to thank our support staff who had played a vital role in taking care of them. We'll miss you all. We wish you a very good luck for your bright future. Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Eldon's father. We have 3 children who are studying at Maple Bear at the moment. We still remember 3 years back how Eldon was when he joined Maple Bear, and we can see the growth and the confidence that he's developed in the past 3 years. Right now, we've sent our other 2 children, they're twins. They also have joined Maple Bear. So now he's leaving this year. I think he's got sentimental feelings towards the school as well as his friends who have also left the school. I personally, as a family, we thank Sangeeta ma'am as well as Abhilash sir for all the hard work and care that they've taken towards the development of Eldon as well as other children. And last but not the least, all the teachers, Farin ma'am and all the other teachers who has helped Eldon all throughout the years to give him confidence. So we can see a lot of change in him. And we hope all the students also get the same kind of attention, care, love and affection. All the best to you, Milway. Thanks a lot.
Simply one sentence. I'm feeling today as if I got a degree from Harvard University. Thank you. Thank you, Maple Bear. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, Abhilash. Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you all for coming to annual day of Maple Bear. I hope you all had fun. Thank you.
Managing smaller kids are very difficult, and they managed for a long time, and the kids really they performed very well. I think the hard work goes back maybe 2-3 months back. Teachers, management and students, they are working. So it's everybody's contribution together, and a great job. Thank you.
Even the parents, and it was so awesome, well organized. Thank you so much.
Means father. It's a very personal note, in fact. Till now I was only feeling a father. But now onwards, I would feel a proud father, and that's only been possible because of hard efforts from all the staff of the Maple Bear. So I would like to pass on my heartfelt thanks to one and all who have been responsible for making this event so successful. Thank you.
Of the school. In fact, it was a great event, how I feel it that way, because managing the kids and getting them on the stage is altogether a different task. If you ask about my little one, I really had apprehension that he would be, even standing on the stage, but that fear is out of him, and he performed so well, and same goes for all the kids, and we truly enjoyed the event. Thanks a lot to all of you.
It's father, and I think this was an amazing event. Abhilash and Sangeeta and all the teachers, I think you all did so wonderful, and I am really privileged to have my son study in your school, and I'm highly obliged. and I appreciate all the efforts put across by each one of you. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best. Thank you.
Of you who were present here and made our day wonderful. Thank you so much. We would also like to thank the Candor School for helping us to support and make this event happen. Thank you so much everyone being the part of it. Thank you.